we are looking at how to pronounce these phrases and more confusing vocabulary in French, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. So this phrase means it's better than what I was expecting. You're visiting something in France, for example, and you think to yourself, and you want to say it to French people, it's better than what I was expecting. C'est mieux, meaning it's better, que ce à quoi je m'attendais. C'est mieux que ce à quoi je m'attendais. It's better than what I was expecting. C'est mieux que ce à quoi je m'attendais. I know it's a bit of a circumvoluted sentence, but that's what it is. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and learn more French. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to learn more. And thanks for watching.